In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create your first board and set it up with the right visibility so you can start organizing your work with confidence. First, open Trello and head to the boards page. This is the central place where all your boards live. If you're already signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Boards. That takes you to a clean overview, making it easy to find existing boards or create a new one. At the top of the screen, click the Create button. This opens a small menu with options for new items. Choose Create Board. This is the simplest path if you want a blank slate. You'll also see an option to start with a template. Templates are great when you want a ready-made structure for things like project management, content calendars, or personal to-dos. They come preloaded with lists and sometimes example cards. For now, though, we'll keep things straightforward and select Create Board so you can learn the basics. Next, you'll be prompted to name your board. Type a clear, descriptive title that tells you and your team exactly what the board is for. For example, Q2 Marketing Plan or Home Renovation Tracker. Keep it short but specific. If your team uses naming conventions or emojis for quick identification, you can include those, but avoid sensitive details like client names or private information in the title. Now choose the visibility for your board. This setting controls who can see and access it. Private means only people you explicitly invite will have access, which is ideal for early drafts or confidential work. Workspace Visible allows anyone in your workspace to find and collaborate on the board, which is great for internal teamwork and transparency. Public makes the board visible to anyone with the link and can even appear in search engines, so use this only when you intend to share broadly. Before selecting public, double-check that no sensitive data will live on the board. Once your title and visibility are set the way you want, click Create. Trello will generate your new board instantly. You'll land on an empty canvas, ready for you to add lists and cards to organize tasks, ideas, and priorities in a way that's visual and easy to manage. And that's it. You've created your first Trello board. Open boards, click Create, choose Create Board, name it, pick visibility, and create. You're set up and ready to build a workflow that fits your needs.